What's up, people, and we're back with another video. I got my handy dandy notebook, so you already know what's good. Let's jump into it. Okay, so today I am going to be going over what we call private mortgage insurance. And when people hear about it, it's automatically like a red flag. It is included in your mortgage payment, but people think it is like some crazy extra charge that it's basically all these red flags behind it that shouldn't even be there. I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, so I know first of all, you're like, what is PMI or private mortgage insurance? PMI is the acronym for it, but private mortgage insurance is what it's called. Okay, what is PMI? PMI is an insurance protection for the lender, not you, for the lender in case you stop making payments on your loan or AKA go into default. Now, what it does for the lender is it basically covers them with the bank. It puts insurance on the extra insurance on the loan so they can cover their tails when they go back to the bank and say, hey, this person stopped paying on the loan. This is what we have. Here's what you basically can do. Now, you will still owe extra money on that default. Don't get me wrong, but it's basically money that the lender uses to cover their tail. So I'm just gonna answer like some of the most common questions that people have about PMI. Like I said, it's a lot of red flags around it, and I'm just here to give you the inside scoop so you don't have to fear. So how do I pay PMI? The most common way and the cheapest way is to have it included monthly with your mortgage payment. That is the most common way. That is what most people do. And like I said, PMI is only mainly for conventional loan. PMI is on an FHA loan, but it is explained totally different on an FHA loan than it is for a conventional loan. So this is just what we're gonna focus on. We're only gonna focus on how it is represented in a conventional loan. How long do I pay PMI? So on conventional loans, you pay PMI until you have 20% equity in your home. Once you hit the 20% equity, you will no longer pay the PMI. It will be, so basically it's removed from your monthly mortgage payment, and your payment will be lowered. But I will tell you, equity builds up so fast nowadays that it won't hardly be as hard to hit 20%. Ideally, you pay it for about maybe 2 to 2.5, 3 years. But like I said, equity builds up fast, so it may not even be anything that you have to worry about for a really long time. Can I avoid paying PMI? Of course you can. The way that you avoid paying PMI is that you put a 20% down payment on your conventional loan. So basically, in other words, if you put down less than 20%, 3.5, 5%, 10%, 15, 18%, you're always gonna pay that PMI. So if you put down 20% of your purchase price, you do not have PMI included in your monthly mortgage payment. But who wants to do that? How long will it take you to build 20% down payment? That could take years. So sometimes I just tell people, just pay the PMI, it'll be cheaper. So can I get rid of the PMI after I've already started making payments? Yeah, you can. All you have to do is refinance to see if you're at the 20% equity, and then that's how you can get rid of it. Or you could just let it fall off after you've already for sure built the 20% equity. How much is PMI? And I know everybody wants to know that. So Freddie Mac says that PMI is only $30 to $70 per $100,000 borrowed. It sounds weird, but I'm gonna break it down for you. So let's say your home costs $400,000 is your flat rate purchase price. So let's say your private mortgage insurance on your entire loan is going to be $16,000 to $20,000. On a $400,000 home. Let's say without refinancing, you haven't built any equity. Well, you haven't checked to see if you built any equity yet, and it's just included in your monthly mortgage payments. You generally, when you get your mortgage statement and your loan docs, you see like what PMI costs and everything. So they give you a full breakdown. But let's just say 16 to 20,000, you pay it off in 10 to 12 years. 10 to 12 years of 20,000, you're literally only paying $134 a month in mortgage insurance. I know. It's not as crazy as you thought. It's not. I mean, $134 on top of your, principal, interest, and your homeowner's insurance included in your monthly mortgage payment. It's still going to be almost like, equivalent to paying rent. All of these red flags around PMI that really don't even have to exist. Mortgage insurance is a tool to leverage to get you in a home and get you owning a property. Hey, that 16 to 20,000 that you're paying within 10 to 12 years, it's literally going to take it takes some people 10 to 12 years to even build up 20% for a down payment. So why not even just leverage the private mortgage insurance and get yourself owning a piece of property and in a home sooner than you even thought? Trust me, I know saving 20% down while renting an apartment it's just not realistic. So if you can save, your 3.5 to 5%, or maybe even if you're, really on it and you can get aggressive and get to the 10%, that will still build faster than you trying to get to 20%. And let's remember, home prices are just continue to go up as time goes forward. So we haven't seen crashes or anything yet. So it's just going to become more unrealistic and more unaffordable for my generation and our kids to purchase homes. So instead of waiting to save the 20% down, let's get in a home now. And private mortgage insurance can roughly be only extra $134 a month on a $400,000 house. Come on, people. We got to start making better decisions. But I just wanted to come and provide this quick informational video because I see it as a thing. I see what's going on in the media, and I just want to let you guys know, this is my whole reason why I do these educational videos. So you can hear it from the horse's mouth of how realistic it is to be in a home. You don't have to save 20% down. There are other avenues and other realistic avenues for you to get in a home faster. And if you watch my last video about loan types, you can just start doing all of the research right now and you don't have to wait any longer. 2023 is our year for better goals. Love you guys. Bye.